Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the Leads Center on Facebook. So there's going to be here, but if you can't find it, select the messages, like select messages, I guess. And once it's opened, still loading. Alright, once it's opened, you're going to go to all tools on the left side of your messages. I don't know why I'm not able to access messages at the moment, but you're going to select the one on the left in more tools. Then you're going to select Lead Center and it's going to open up the page here. As you can see, I just selected all tools here when I'm in messages and I selected the Lead Center under Engage Audience. That's where you can find it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.